Ladies and gentlemen, today I just wanted to go over a quick trade recap that I had on USD It was a pretty big one, that's why I want to go over it. I have a $200 Forex account right now. It's my second account, and I'm just trying to grow that just to see how much I can grow. And I wanted to post, recaps that here and there just to show you guys how I trade and what I look for. Okay, so this trade was a $63 win. So let's just quickly get into the charts here. You can see here on this USD this is on the daily chart. Okay, so this candlestick was last night, but it was not this thick. Last night it was about up to here, and that is clarification that we are bouncing off of that resistance, and we are reacting to the resistance on the daily time frame. Okay, so that's what I was seeing. So before I went to bed, I actually entered this trade at 0.20 lots. Okay, I usually trade at 0.40 lots, but since this is a little bit more risky, I'm doing 0.20. Okay, and my stop loss is 23 pips, so it's just above that previous high. And this is pretty much almost an all-time high. I think it hit all-time high one more time, but this is pretty much the all-time high. So that's what we were looking for, and I was like, okay, so this is going to form and reject off of this resistance. So I actually entered at 0.20 pips like I stated earlier, and I knew CPI was today. I knew that was at E30. So let's take a look at this closer time frame, or tinier time frame. This is the 5-minute. Okay, so you can see this tank. I entered around over here, but we just continued to go to the upside and just consolidate all day. And this was when CPI hit off and it tanked. Okay, a lot of you people say CPI is gambling, but it's in the charts, right? It's in the chart. I have a stop loss. Okay, so if it hits my stop loss, oh well, I lose, like whoop-de-doo. Like this is bound to go to the downside. CPI comes out and it absolutely tanks, and it continues to tank. I actually sold off of here just because I was like, okay, I just want to get rid of it. But my overall take profit was, I was expecting this to be a swing trade, and I was expecting to get about 252 pip return. But since this was such a big tank, I'm taking the profit as a day trade all day, any day. And with only a fee of 82 cents, I'll do that all day. So that is pretty much how I take my trades on the bigger time frames. I haven't taken any small day trades today yet. I don't know. It depends if there's an A+ setup. But that was a very, very good setup and a very, very good call on my part. I just remember when I was earlier in my trading career, I would see things like this and be like, oh, and point it out, but I would never trade it, and it would always go in my favor. So I was like, okay, I have to capitalize. Can't be scared. Have to dabble in the market if you actually want to do something with your life. So that's what I did, and I took action, and it paid off. Hope you guys enjoy these recaps, and I hope you guys can learn something little by little every single day and implement that into your trading. Have a good one, boys.